Okay. Hi Steps families, my name is Mr. Klimentiy and I'm the resident scientist at Steps for After School. And this is my sister Milana, and today we're going to be doing an experiment to show you the importance of washing your hands. So, let's get started. Here we have a bowl of water, a thing of soap, and pepper, which will act as our germs. When you put the pepper in the water, you can see it getting dirty with germs. Yuck. Now, Milana, if you would please put your finger in there, and I'll take it out. It's dirty, super dirty, with germs and everything. Now, if you could wash your finger in the soap and do the same thing, we'll see what happens. So this is like washing your hands. Good. And I'll put it back in. And just like magic, all the germs move away. And that is the importance of washing your hands. Stay safe, guys. Stay healthy. I hope this all works out. I miss you all. Have a great day.